In this video, we continue exercise 6.3 and see question number 7 of exercise 6.3. Diagram of this question is given. There is a triangle ABC. Triangle ABC in which AD and CE altitude AD and CE intersect each other at P. Altitude AD and CE. Intersect each other at P. There are two altitudes AD and CE in triangle ABC. There are two altitudes AD and CE which intersect at point P. So we have given in triangle ABC AD and CE are altitudes. Intersect at P. These two altitudes of triangle ABC, given triangle ABC in which AD and CE are the altitudes and they intersect each other at point P. Then show that triangle AEP is similar to. Show that the first part is triangle AEP is similar to CDP. Triangle AEP is similar to triangle CDP. The second part we have to prove. Triangle ABD is similar to triangle CBE. Triangle ABD is similar to triangle CBE. Triangle ABD is similar to triangle CBE. This is the second part. And the third part, triangle AEP is similar to triangle ADB. Triangle AEP is similar to ADB. Triangle AEP is similar to triangle ADB. Triangle AEP is similar to triangle ADB. And the fourth part, Triangle PDC. Triangle PDC is similar to triangle BEC. Triangle PDC. Triangle PDC is similar to triangle BEC. Triangle PDC is similar to triangle BEC. So these four parts we have to prove. The first part is triangle AEP is similar to triangle AEP is similar to triangle CDP. We have to prove. So for first part, we take two triangles, triangle AEP and triangle CDP. In triangle AEP and triangle CDP. In triangle AEP and triangle CDP. So angle AEP equals to angle CDP, each 90 degree. In both the triangles, angle AEP is 90 degree and angle CDP is 90 degree. Then angle APE and angle CPD, vertically opposite angle. So these two angles are equal. And if in two triangles, two corresponding angles are equal, then by AA similarity criterion, the triangles be similar. So triangle AEP is similar to triangle CDP by AA criterion. Angle AEP equals to angle CDP 90 degree and angle APE equals to CPD, vertical opposite angle. So angle AEP, is equals to angle CDP. Each 90 degree. And angle APE is equals to angle CPD. This is vertical opposite angle. Vertical opposite angle. Therefore, since in both the triangles, two corresponding angles are equal, therefore triangle AEP is similar to triangle CDP by AA similarity criteria. So we get the result that triangle AEP is similar to triangle CDP. Now the second part which we have to prove, that triangle ABD is similar to triangle CBE. Triangle ABD is similar to triangle CBE. So again we take the two triangles. In triangle ABD and triangle CBE. In triangle ABD and triangle CBE, angle ABD is equals to angle CBE because angle B is common. In triangle ABD there is angle B and in triangle CBE there is also angle B. So angle B is common in both the triangle. So angle ABD equals to angle CBE. Angle ABD equals to angle CBE. Common angle. Angle B is common. And one angle is 90 degree. Angle ADB equals to angle CEB. Angle ADB equals to angle CEB. 90 degree. Angle ADB equals to angle CEB. 90 degree. So again by AA corollary of similarity criterion, these two triangles are similar. So triangle ABD is similar to triangle CBE by AA similarity criterion. Triangle ABD is similar to triangle CBE because in triangle ABD angle ABD and in triangle CBE there is also angle B which is common. Angle ADB, if this is 90 then this will also be 90, and angle CEB are equal 90 degrees. Therefore these two triangles are similar. Now the third part. In triangle AEP and ADB, in triangle AEP and ADB, in triangle AEP and triangle ADB. AEP and ADB. So angle AEP is 90 degree and angle ADB, this is also 90 degree. In triangle AEP, angle AEP is 90 degree and in triangle ADB, angle ADB is 90 degree. So angle AEP equals to angle ADB. Angle AEP equals to angle ADB, each 90 degree. And in triangle AEP and ADB, angle A is common. In triangle AEP there is angle A, and in triangle ADB there is also angle A. So angle A is common for both the triangle, means angle PAE equals to angle DAB. Angle PAE equals to angle DAB. Angle PAE equals to angle DAB. This is the common angle for both the triangles. So in triangle AEP and ADB, angle AEP equals to angle ADB, that is 90 degree, and angle PAE equals to angle DAB, which is common. So triangle AEP is similar to triangle ADB by AA criterion. So this is the third part. Now for fourth part. In triangle PDC, in triangle PDC and in triangle BEC, PDC and BEC, in triangle PDC and triangle BEC. So in triangle PDC, angle PDC is 90 degree, and in triangle BEC, angle E means angle BEC is 90 degree. So angle PDC equals to angle BEC, that is 90 degree, and angle PCD, angle PCD equals to angle PCD equals to angle BCP, BCE, angle C is common, angle C is common, so angle PCD equals to angle BCE, angle PCD equals to angle PCD equals to angle ECB, angle ECB, common angle in triangle PDC, and there is angle C, and in triangle ECB again there is angle C. So angle PCD equals to angle ECB. This is the common angle in both the triangles. Therefore, triangle PDC is similar to triangle BEC by AA similarity criteria. We get all the four results, and all these are similar by AA similarity criteria. Now the next question, that is question number 8. Question number 8. We have given E is a point on the side AD produced of a parallelogram ABC. There is a parallelogram ABCD. ABCD is a parallelogram, and E is a point on side AD produced of a parallelogram, and BE intersects CD at F. E is a point on side AD produced, E is a point on side AD produced. E is a point on side AD produced of a parallelogram ABCD and BE intersects CD. BE intersects CD at point F. BE intersects CD at point F. So prove that triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB. Triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB. So given a parallelogram ABCD in which E is a point on side AD produced. E is a point on side AD produced. E is a point on side AD produced and BE and CD intersect at F. BE and CD. BE and CD intersect at F. So to prove that triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB. To prove triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB. Triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB. So we take two triangles, triangle ABE and CFB. In triangle ABE and triangle CFB. In triangle ABE and CFB, since AB and CD are parallel lines, AB and CD are parallel lines because ABCD is a parallelogram, and if two parallel lines are intersected by a transversal, similarly AD and BC are also parallel lines, and since AD is produced, therefore AE is also parallel to BC. AD is parallel to BC and side AD is produced to E, therefore AE is also parallel to BC and BE is the transversal. So these two angles are alternate angle. So in triangle ABE and CFB, angle AEB is equals to angle CBF angle CBF, alternate angles. And we know that if two parallel lines are intersected by a transversal, then alternate angles are equal. And since AE is parallel to BC, AE is parallel to BC and BE is the transversal, therefore alternate angle AEB equals to CBF. And in parallelogram, we know that opposite angles are equal. In parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. So angle A equals to angle C. Because ABCD is a parallelogram. So angle A for triangle ABE and angle C for triangle CFB. So in triangle ABE, angle A, and in triangle CFB, angle C are equal. So we write angle A equals to angle C. Opposite angles of a parallelogram. So angle A equals to angle C, opposite angle, and angle AEB equals to angle CBF, alternate angle. Therefore, these two triangles are congruent, are similar. So triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB by AA similarity criteria. Triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB by AA similarity criteria.